The collaboration between an OEM supplier like Fette Compacting and a CDMO like CMIC offers a unique opportunity to fast-track development and approval of products. It offers the possibility to fast-track development of new modalities or reformulation of existing modalities with one single goal in mind: fast-tracking the approval process. It also would offer the seamless transfer of newly developed formulations into adjacent contract manufacturing suites.
I think it's definitely the way to go forward, especially a partnership between an equipment supplier and CMO, just so that it can facilitate, I would say, development trials, enhancing the body of knowledge for continuous manufacturing as everything is integrated into one single line.
Their capabilities from small scale to large scale has been very impressive. In the overall feel of the facility, GMP-wise, is fantastic. Where you're not just talking about direct compressibility here. Down the hallway, there's a wet granulating process. So having that range covers a much bigger percentage of overall pharmaceutical manufacturing.
From early development to commercial success.
Fette Compacting. Together from lab to production.